Dear friends, today let us see how to recharge a Jio mobile number online via internet banking. Just go to Jio, search in Google as Jio, then go to jio.com. So this is the jio.com website. So in that, enter the Jio number. So prepaid, select prepaid if it is prepaid, or select postpaid if it is postpaid, or Jio Fiber or Jio Link. So since I want to recharge a prepaid mobile number, and already the default is prepaid, so just enter the prepaid mobile number of Jio. So enter it. So now click recharge. After entering the number correctly, click recharge. So it will display the various plans which are available. So these are the different recharge plans. If you want 2 GB per day pack, you can have 1.5, 1 GB, 3 GB. So you can select the various packs which are available. So these are the Jio Freedom plans. Okay. So based on your needs, you can able to recharge it. Okay. This is 2 GB data pack. Based on the validity, the rates may vary. So minimum 28 days, 249 plan. 365 days, 2599 plan. So this is 1.5 GB, 1.5 GB per day pack. Okay. This is 1 GB per day pack. This is 3 GB per day pack. No daily limit. This is another package. Popular. I want popular plan. These are the value packs, also called affordable packs. So I will be recharging with 129 plan. Okay, 28 days validity with the 2 GB data. So just click buy. So details also you can view about this pack. See here, affordable pack 129, pack details 28, total data 2 GB, voice is unlimited, data at high speed, post which unlimited at 64 kbps. So 2 GB data, SMS 300. Okay, let's close it. So I will be recharging this mobile number with 129 plan. So click buy. So using net banking, I am using net banking, ICICI Bank. So enter the user ID. then enter the password. After entering the password, click login. Okay, so Reliance Jio amount this one. Now we need to provide a one-time password. The one-time password may have been received in the registered mobile number of the internet banking bank. So let me check for the one-time password. So I have not yet received the OTP. Just wait. So I have not received, so I am send a new OTP. Click it. Okay, I have received the OTP. Now I will enter the OTP received. Now click pay. So OTP, there was some mistake. So click pay. Okay, payment is successful. So payment of 129 has been successfully made. Payment successful 129. Okay, for this particular number I have recharged it with 129 rupees. So now you can download receipt. So this is the receipt. If you want, you can click print. Okay. Okay. So this is a procedure how to recharge a Jio number online using internet banking. Okay. And we can go to home. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.